Have you ever savored a tangy bite of sauerkraut or sipped a frothy beer and wondered where it all began? Ready to unravel the story behind this transformative process? Stay tuned, as later we'll discover just how deep into history our taste buds travel. Embark on an adventure to ancient Egypt, where the Nile's gifts spawned more than just civilizations. Around 3000 BCE, grains transformed into beer, not just as a tipple for the elite, but as a staple for all. Could pottery shards and ancient relics reveal the origins of this alchemy? Venture now to China's serene landscapes, where, as far back as 7000 BCE, brewing rice wine was not just culinary craft, but also sacred ritual and medicine. How did a humble grain become a cherished libation across an empire? The Roman Empire, too, dabbled in gastronomic genius. A sauce called garum, rich with fermented fish, seasoned their feasts and fueled trade. But fermentation did not stop at empire's end. From Middle Eastern yogurts to East Asian pickles, this craft leapt borders and epochs. The invisible force behind fermentation's magic? Microorganisms, yeast, bacteria, mold, feasting on sugars to yield alcohol, acids, gas. Have you ever pondered how these tiny creatures can so drastically elevate our food? Take a moment to honor the vast banquet fermentation brings to our tables. Yogurt's creaminess, sauerkraut's crispness, kimchi's spice, and beer's buzz, all made possible by these microorganisms' insatiable appetites. We can see fermentation as nature's own culinary alchemist, turning mere morsels into gold. Yeasts brew, bacteria sour, and molds morph, each crafting foods with tales untold. Fast forward to modern times, and you'll find fermentation is far from a relic of the past. It's here, in our kitchens, infusing flavors and nourishing guts with probiotic-rich delights. How might we weave this age-old wisdom into our daily gastronomic tapestry? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious novice, the art of fermentation is at your fingertips, thanks to innovations like burp lids. Why not embark on your fermenting journey and see what culinary mysteries you can unlock? Remember, with the right tools and a pinch of history, you can transform your kitchen into a fermentation wonderland. Dive into the Burp Lids collection and unleash the fermenter within. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.